Ever wondered how to build wealth from scratch? Maybe you're starting with student loans and barely making rent, or maybe you're just tired of living paycheck to paycheck. Building wealth might seem impossible, but I'm here to tell you it's absolutely achievable. In this video, I'm sharing 9 game-changing tips that can help you build wealth, even if you're starting with little to no capital. These aren't some get-rich-quick schemes. These are tried and true strategies that have worked for me and countless others. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and start building a brighter future, keep watching. The first step to building wealth is knowing where your money is going. I know, budgeting can sound about as fun as watching paint dry, but trust me on this one. It's not about restricting yourself. It's about making your money work for you. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. You can use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even just a good old-fashioned notebook. Once you see where your money is going, you can start making adjustments. Can you cut back on eating out? Negotiate a lower rate on your car insurance? Find small wins to free up extra cash? Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. Even if you can only cut back by $50 or $100 a month, that's still a step in the right direction. Over time, those small changes add up to big results. Think of it like building a house. You need a solid foundation before you can start adding the walls and roof. Your budget is that foundation. Life throws curveballs. Your car breaks down, you lose your job, your dog eats an entire couch and needs emergency surgery. These unexpected expenses can derail even the most well-intentioned budget. That's where an emergency fund comes in. This is money you set aside specifically for unexpected events. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. Now I know what you're thinking. Easier said than done, Graham, but even small contributions add up over time. Start by setting aside $10 or $20 a week. As you get raises or bonuses, increase that amount. Having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind and prevents you from going into debt when unexpected expenses pop up. It's like having a financial safety net, so you can navigate those bumps in the road without derailing your entire financial plan. Debt can be a major roadblock to building wealth. Whether it's student loans, credit card debt, or personal loans, high-interest debt eats away at your income and keeps you stuck in a cycle of paying off yesterday's expenses. The first step to debt freedom is to stop accumulating new debt. Put those credit cards on ice and commit to living within your means. Next, create a debt repayment plan. There are 2 popular methods, the snowball method and the avalanche method. With the snowball method, you focus on paying off your smallest debt first, regardless of interest rate. This can give you a psychological boost and keep you motivated. With the avalanche method, you prioritize debts with the highest interest rates, saving you money in the long run. Choose the method that best suits your personality and financial situation. Want to accelerate your wealth-building journey? Consider starting a side hustle. This is a great way to increase your income, learn new skills, and potentially even turn your passion into a full-time gig. The possibilities are endless. You could drive for a ride-sharing service, sell handmade goods on Etsy, offer freelance writing or graphic design services, or even start a blog or YouTube channel. The key is to find something you enjoy and that fits into your schedule. Remember, consistency is key. Even if you can only dedicate a few hours a week to your side hustle, that extra income can make a big difference over time. Use it to pay down debt faster, boost your savings, or invest in your future. Investing might seem intimidating, but it's one of the most powerful tools for building long-term wealth. The magic of compound interest allows your money to grow exponentially over time. Start by learning the basics of investing. There are tons of resources available online, including articles, videos, and even free courses. Once you have a basic understanding, open a brokerage account and start investing in low-cost index funds or ETFs. These funds allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds with a single purchase, minimizing risk and maximizing potential returns. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get caught up in trying to time the market or chase after the latest hot stock. The world of finance is constantly evolving. New investment opportunities arise, economic conditions change, and technology disrupts traditional models. That's why continuous learning is essential for anyone serious about building wealth. Make it a habit to stay informed about personal finance, investing, and business. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch documentaries, and follow reputable financial experts. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your money. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, that power translates to financial freedom. Retirement might seem far off, but it's never too early to start planning. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401(k)s, especially if your employer offers a matching contribution. It's like getting free money. If you're self-employed or your employer doesn't offer a retirement plan, consider opening an IRA, individual retirement account. These accounts offer tax advantages that can help you save more for retirement. Contribute as much as you can as early as you can, and let the power of compound interest work its magic. The earlier you start, the less you'll have to contribute later on. Having clear financial goals is crucial for staying motivated and on track. Where do you see yourself financially in 5 years? 10 years? 30 years? Do you dream of owning a home, retiring early, traveling the world? Write down your goals and break them down into smaller, actionable steps. Having specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals will help you stay focused and motivated. It's like having a financial roadmap guiding you towards your desired destination. Review your goals regularly and make adjustments as needed. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be setbacks, challenges, and moments of doubt along the way. The key is to stay persistent and patient. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Focus on making consistent progress, even if it's just small steps each day. Remember, even the most successful investors and entrepreneurs faced obstacles on their journey. What separates those who achieve financial freedom from those who don't is their ability to persevere through challenges. Stay focused on your goals, celebrate your wins, and learn from your mistakes. We covered a lot of ground today, from budgeting and debt management to side hustles and investing. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. Start by implementing 1 or 2 of these tips today. As you make progress, gradually incorporate others into your financial plan. The most important thing is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect time or the perfect circumstances. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning. Your future self will thank you. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep building your wealth.